Understanding, itching for, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of a common English phrase, itching for. Understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension of English. So, let's get started. Itching for is an idiomatic expression used to describe a strong desire or eagerness to do something. It's often used when someone is very keen on an activity or outcome. For example, if someone says, "I'm itching for a vacation," it means they are very eager to go on a vacation. The phrase, itching for, likely comes from the literal sensation of an itch that demands to be scratched. This vivid metaphor is used to express a similar kind of internal eagerness or urge that someone feels to do something. Let's look at a few examples to understand how to use itching for in sentences. 1. She's been itching for a chance to show her new skills. 2. After weeks of preparation, the team was itching for the competition to start. 3. He's itching for an opportunity to travel again. These examples demonstrate how the phrase can be used in various contexts. There are other expressions in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, eager for, yearning for, longing for, hungry for. While these are similar, the phrase, itching for, often conveys a more informal and intense desire. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, itching for, and how you can use it in your everyday English. Remember, getting familiar with such idiomatic expressions can really boost your language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.